Embark on an unforgettable journey to Aotearoa New Zealand, where science meets adventure in one of the most breathtaking environments on Earth. Join the University of Waikato's 6-week Marine Science for Conservation course, designed for science students passionate about conservation and our natural environment. Experience New Zealand's vibrant culture from its Indigenous Māori heritage to its contemporary way of life.
Learn from leading experts through a combination of field trips, hands-on laboratory work and seminars that explore marine conservation from ecological, economic and cultural perspectives.
You'll be based at our new Tauranga campus right in the heart of the Bay of Plenty and staying in beachfront cabins in beautiful Mount Maunganui. Join us in New Zealand and make a difference with the University of Waikato. Enroll in Marine Science for Conservation today.